Do you have a discount in this place? Why do you hide it?
Let's just say that I was making an order, and they knew my order, and the guy said to me, this order speaks for itself. And so I'm not really enjoying the fact that I cannot make a takeout order in privacy. But it's there are worse things that you have to deal with on a daily basis. But again, I'm here to play chess and enjoy the great cuisine of the Central West End.
Guess you have to make a fake Uber account.
Yeah, that as well. Thankfully, no one. If I did Uber Eats and they came directly to my room, that wouldn't be great. But thankfully, where I'm staying, you need a room key to get to the floor. So that is some added security as well.
Yeah. Thank you, Hans.
Thank you, Hans.